I mean, he's close. Are they together? Are they not together?
I don't know. Is he joking? I don't think so.
That is like one of the sexiest moves you could make.
Are either one of them married or anything? I would hope not.
Extremely entertaining and downright frightening. So check out artbell.com for all the details. It's great to see that
fucking
here in
Jesus.
2015, 10 years after the iTunes Store introduced the then new concept of podcasting to the world, that we have all these quality shows.
Don't do it, bro.
You're an ass.
Yep. Like 4 storage places right here.
Because at least from when my dad was looking, they're all full.
Oh, that was a good stop, my dude.
They were just trying to somebody to be a dog the bounty hunter's barbecues. To me, I was like, she's the female dog the bounty hunter.
Oh, dude.
She's like
do it.
the original white trash Karen, like trailer park Karen.
Well, to me, it's I mean, and I don't know anything about this woman, so this is
Go
all
around him!
Allegedly.
This is all alleged and all just what I'm gonna.
They were.
Hi.
Oh! Okay, bud. Change your fucking mind real quick.
Come on board, cover them with blankets, shut the cabin door, put up the heat.
The boat went down off Euro Beach in Winthrop. Officials say there were 3 to 4 foot waves in the area.
And just sort of froze in the dark hallway. I walked slowly down the stairs and climbed over the gate as quietly as I could. My heart was pounding at this point, so I walked to the front door and tried it, but it had been deadlocked. I walked through the house to the back door, and a
Premium roast hot coffee, any 2 for $2. Or get a subsequent muffin with egg, 2 for $4.
Wow, okay.
Price and participation may vary. Single item at regular price cannot be combined with combo meal.
Okay.
From in a straitjacket, hanging in between 2 cars that were supposed to come together and explode.
Dude.
But he was supposed to get out of the straitjacket and drop through before, right?
Mama being crazy. Dad started drinking, almost killing you both too many times to count before he ended up doing himself in.
Fucking doing, man.
And I know you don't.
What the hell was that, dude? Fuck's sake! Stop doing that!
Shots, 10 rings for 20 bucks.
Put me to sleep.
Hey, loser, why don't you win your woman a nice prize?
damn it.
Bet you can't.
You know she
Bet
left me.
you're uncoordinated.
You know you're a real son of a bitch. Cardi
Ah.
Ghost. You know she left me last.
Oh, it does.
That was fun.
Yeah.
When you run a business, setbacks
Dude.
change everything. And online, they happen fast. With your Comcast Business Internet, you can stay ahead.
Open. Open. Wow. And the four-way stop where no one knows how to use it. See? Okay. See what I mean?
Yeah.
And they're still not going.
This is what happens to Dave if he was born in Tennessee.
Fucking turd.
Yay!
So
Buddy.
apparently, I misunderstood. Maddie's not meeting her friends until 8:30,
Okay.
so she could join.
Woo! You're not paying attention, huh, minivan? just drove into that guy. Try not to run over the lady taking pictures in the street.
Yeah.
And the guy backing into the road and stopping. You didn't want to pay for the parking garage?
Nope. He saw the guy leaving.
And he's like, ooh. Alright, I'll let you do that. Or, I don't know what the fuck you're doing.
You're not parking if you're doing that. Can you just...
Make up your mind, dude.
Jesus, bro.
Fuck's sake, dude. Just sit in front of a parking space and don't go to it. Fuck you!
The story until he could somehow insert himself into the middle of it. If it was some small local gossip, my father somehow knew the subject of the scandal. If it was a tale of the beginning of the universe,
wow.
Never know. My mother protested at the time, accusing him of taking on the Americans' religion. She was wrong, of course.
Like, alright. Sounds good.
And then they like him.
There you go. Hi, bus. Fucking mind. I think it is.
Oh, it is.
What the fuck?
There's a little play place.
Chick-fil-A got play place. Jesus, dude. For fuck's sake.
The subs, the mids, the highs, the higher, the lows, the cones all bumped over amped, that's the goddamn truth. Flowing low in this moment only, that's so we'll be growing over the roses, and now that we broke it open, we know that we're dope enough, and we hoping no one just can't.
What the fuck
are you doing? Everybody sucks!
Everybody sucks! What the fuck is going on?
We're having a conversation. Alright. You kidding me?
says, thanks, bud. Hoping to find more time to spend with friends thanks to a new job. Woo!
What are you? That looked like a ferret.
Yeah, no, it was
A weasel.
a weasel.
That's a weasel.
Not a big python.
I moved my tripod so it's not gonna tap my window broken. If I can. Oh, sorry. What?
Nothing, just that.
Sorry. Whoa! What the fuck? Why? Jesus.
Hate breed.
Oh my god, hate breed.
That.
I just haven't played it.
Yeah, it's.
I don't know where that is.
But then I'm like.
See, I love that shit, but it also terrifies me.
Well, you're small. I'm
Ooh, we
big.
got one. Ooh, we got one.
He's like, this is what you do. He's a hippie. He likes fish and shit.
Oh.
Only like a little tunnel that you had to escape out of. So you're feeling all around, you feel like you're stuck. And then, like, the whole thing was someone was there, and if you didn't find the tunnel in enough time, they would say, like, something like, look down. And, you know, and then you would find the tunnel and go through. But, I mean, like, they let you sweat it out for a while being stuck. Yeah. And then you crawled through. There's a guy.